Welcome! In front of me I have Alcatel One Touch Go, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your phone. To unpair this watch from your phone, you need to open the Alcatel One Touch Move application on your phone. In the app, you need to tap on this icon right here to open the device page. Wait until the watch is done syncing with your phone, and once it's done, tap on Settings, scroll down, and at the bottom you have Disconnect Current Watch option. Tap on it, then tap on Yes to confirm. As you can see, we have the info that the watch has been disconnected from our phone. And you can also tell by this icon right here on the main screen, this crossed out Bluetooth icon. And that's how you unpair this watch from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.